Have you ever had a great idea for a project but just didn't know where to begin? Or maybe you wanted to code something very cool but setting everything up like installing the packages, writing the code, or even understanding the logic felt very overwhelming. Yeah, I've been there. So I built something that I wish I had, VibeCode. VibeCode is an AI-powered cloud-native IDE designed to guide you through every step of your coding journey. It's not just a code editor, it's a full workspace system built around how the real creators think. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Open your browser and type in vibecode.org.in. That's our official landing page where I've explained all the features and the flow of the project right here. But today we are going to dive straight into the fun part where I show you what I've made. Click on the try new button to launch our MVP. Here you'll see our 4 workspaces: the ideation workspace, the environment setup workspace, the learning workspace. This is the ideation workspace where we take our rough idea and make it crystal clear. Today, let's imagine that I'm a middle schooler or a high schooler learning to code who wants to build an ASCII art generator in Python. So I'll type in or talk to our new voice mode that I want to make an ASCII art generator by which I can enter text and convert it into ASCII art. The AI will ask questions to clarify, like whether I convert images or plain text. I've picked the text one because that is more fun. Now the idea is clear. Take any text and process it in Python and display the ASCII art directly into the terminal. Once the AI has all the details, I will click on Generate Canvas to see a refined plan. See how VibeCode clears away the fog. We have explicit requirements, a pseudocode outline, a to-do list, milestones, all in one view that I can even download. That's our blueprint to create our ASCII art generator. Next up is the environment setup workspace, where we skip all the local setup drama. First, we'll create a virtual environment. VibeCode spins up a new virtual environment and activates it without any manual typing needed. Now we already know from our canvas that we need all these libraries. So I'll just click on load libraries from the previous chat and it will load all the libraries. And the ones I want to install, I'll just click on run and they will be directly installed directly into my real terminal. Now, if you're new to Python or need a quick refresher, the learning workspace has your back. Let's say I pick that I'm a beginner and I know all these concepts. So it will ask like, do you know this concept? Do you know this concept? And the ones I know, I'll click on yes. And once I click on no on one concept, it will start teaching me that. Let's say I want to learn this concept and I don't know this one. The AI the AI gives me tutorial on what the concept is, explains me the theory, and also gives me examples and code snippets. So if I need more details, I can ask like give me one more example, or maybe show me how this. And if I understand the concept, I click on yes and it will start teaching me the next one. So let's say the AI has given me example and I'm learning something, so I want to test it out. So I'll click on the open IDE button where it will open up a virtual IDE environment and I can just test what I've learned and even run the code here. And if I want, I can also download what I have written in the code. This is great to learn how to program because in this way it teaches you in a very interactive manner. You can ask any questions and even go on and skip the concepts that you already know. I made this because I know many vibe coders in this world today just don't know how to code and don't even want to learn how to code. To fix that, I'll teach them how to code. So the vibe coders don't just copy and paste, they actually understand what the concepts are. Now next step is the coding workspace, where all our ideas come to life. On this workspace, you can see there is a file tree that is coming soon and a virtual IDE environment where you can write code and directly run them, and also an AI assistant that will help me write code, and if needed, I can directly apply code from the AI's answer to the code writing section. So I'll ask this AI to please generate me code on how to make that ASCII art project that I was talking about earlier, and it will give me the code. I can just copy or paste or even tweak it if I want because the IDE environment is interactive, and I can run our project. See how I'm able to run the project and it is working fine. So for example, in the code, I will select, for example, in this code, I want to generate an SIR of, let's say, buildathon 2. So I will select buildathon 2 and type it into the code and run it. See how it just works? It is perfect, right? And I even have the option to download code directly from here.